touch yourself, okay? Don't be out here touching yourself while you're cooking. Use a food thermometer, something with a good temperature probe on here. So minimum recommendations for ground beef, or ground meat rather, is 160. So we'll kind of probe these a little bit. 140, that's about where I want it to be. So I'm gonna pull these soon. You will notice that there's still plenty of juice in this. Yeah, these are ready here. I'm gonna pull them a little early. I am gonna confess something to you guys. Are you ready for this? I prefer my burgers a little bit more well done than some of you do. Yeah, I know you're hissing, you're booing in the comments, but guess what, guys? Respectfully, you're not the ones eating it. I am. So I like mine the way I like mine. You like yours the way you like yours. If we ever get a chance to eat together, I'll cook yours the way you want it. Please do the same for me. So I don't like it well done. I like it medium well, typically. So I'm gonna let these go a little bit, but I'm gonna start pulling them off, and hopefully you can get a sense of what temperature you like yours. I think I like mine closer to the 160. That's about right. That should still have plenty of juice, plenty of flavor. That ought to still have a little bit of pink in it, so it won't be tough all the way through. But that's just me. So you do it the way that you want it, and use a good temperature probe base thermometer instant read as this one. That way you'll know exactly what's going on. You don't have to break your burgers open while they're on the grill. You want to avoid that whenever possible. Okay, let's have another look, shall we? Notice we got some Notice we got some beautiful color on these. These are grilled burgers, and we want them to look that way. We want them to have that look, that taste, that texture. Let's see here. You guys see that all right? I hope you can. That looks delicious. Still very juicy. I like to take them off and let them rest a little bit. That's another good basic of grilling or cooking meat, really, of any kind.